Hi, today we're going to be taking an unboxing review look at Shonen Jump's Yu-Gi-Oh! Trading card game. Konami, 5 cards in every pack. You get 2 packs here for $2 at Walmart. Not a bad price. $2 at Walmart for 10 cards, 2 packs. Not that bad. Something here about, Yu-Gi-Oh! Duel Links. You could go to Yu-Gi-Oh! Card.com. Link down below in the description there. These are legendary duelists, Sisters of the Woes. So let's open it up and see what we get in here. What's weird is they have this little QR code here for some type of survey. You could go to hit type .research.net/r/YGO_LED4. Yeah, okay, I have no idea, but there you go. So it says entire set includes 29 common cards, 10 rare cards, 8 super rare cards, and 9 ultra rare cards. So yeah, let's open it up and see what we got in here. Cyber Angel. Come on, I can't focus. There you go. Dakayan? I guess that's how you say it. Like Darkayan. Light attribute monster 2, 4, 6, 8. 8 stars. Fairy Witchel effect. 2700. 2400. So 2700 attack. 2400 defense. You can Ritual Summon this card with Machine Angel Ritual. If this card is Ritual Summon, you can make your opponent send one monster they control to the GY, the graveyard. Their choice. If a Ritual monster you control attacks a defense position monster, inflict piercing battle damage to your opponent. Once per turn during your end phase, you can target one Ritual monster or one Machine Angel Ritual monster in your GY and add it to your hand. Not a bad card effect. Then we have Lunar Light Blue Cat. Dart 4-star Beast Warrior effect 1600 attack, 1200 defense. Blue Rose Dragon. Dart 4-star Dragon and its effect 1600 attack, 1200 defense. I gotta read this one because it's a dragon. When this card's on the field, is destroyed and sent to the GY, you can target one Black Rose Dragon or one plant monster in your GY and special summon it. So if you have Black Rose Dragon, you can summon that. Oh, then we got, check this one out. This one is, I can't really tell if this one's is a super rare or ultra rare. But I mean, look at the holographic foil background on this card. Nice. Cyber Angel Elisa. Light 2, 4, 6, 8. 8 stars. Fairy Witchel effect 2500 attack, 2600 defense. You can Witchel summon this monster with Machine Witchel Angel. If this card is Witchel summon, you can make your opponent send one spell/trap they control to the GY one this attacking card destroys an opponent's monster by battle and sends it to the GY. You can activate this effect. This card can make a second attack on your opponent's monster in a row once per turn. When your opponent activates a card or effect that targets a Cyber Angel ritual monster you control. Queer effect. You can shuffle one ritual monster from your GY into the deck. And if you do, destroy one card your opponent controls. So, pretty powerful. And then we have... Ooh, check this bad boy out. We have a Earth 10 rank monster right here. Machine Xyz's effect. 3,000 attack, 3,000 defense. I mean, I can't even read it on camera how small the text is and how bright it is. Super Dreadnought Whale Cannon Gustvat Mats. That's what it says. And if you remember, Yu-Gi-Oh! Zetsu, they didn't use, levels. They used ranks instead, so this is the rank monster. It says, 2 level 10 monsters. Once per turn, you can attach one material from this card and inflict 2,000 damage to your opponent. So, right there, 2 turns, 4,000 damage just from the effect. Yeah, that's a pretty strong card right there. Let's see what we get in this pack. This pack we get Twilight Rose Knight, 3-star Dark Warrior Tuner effect, 1,000 attack, 1,000 defense. Cyber Angel Ida Fairy Ritual effect, Light Monster, 1,600 attack, 2,000 defense. Harpy Lady Sisters, Win, 6-star monster. Wing Beast effect, 1950 attack, 2,100 defense. Barrage Blast, Continuous Trap card. And then we have Incarnation Machine Angel, Continuous Spell card. So not a bad pull out here, I have to say. From the first pack, definitely, we got way better cards from that pack. And I don't know if you can see this, but that last card here, oh no, I'm mistaken. 2 different ones. This one has a cannon going up, that one has a cannon going forward, more like a tank. I thought this card was this card here. It's not, it's 2 completely different cards, but still not a bad card pack. So yeah. So yeah, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, the like button, hit that notification bell, and leave a comment down below. Alright, thanks, bye.